How to upload horizontal videos on Instagram. Even though Instagram is designed mainly for vertical content, you can still post your video in its original horizontal format. First, open the Instagram app. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner. Now select the horizontal video you want to upload. Tap Next. On the editing screen, you can add text, stickers, music, filters, and make other edits to your video. If you see black bars at the top and bottom, don't worry. This is simply because Instagram is displaying your horizontal video inside a vertical preview. Your video will still be uploaded in its horizontal format. Once you're finished editing, tap Next. On the next screen, you can add a caption, tag people, add a location, and adjust other post settings. When you're ready, tap Share. Wait for Instagram to finish uploading your video. Once it's uploaded, go to your profile and refresh the page. You should now see your video posted in its horizontal format. That's how you can upload a horizontal video on Instagram without converting it to a vertical video first. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.